HOG membership. Take one. Hello everybody, this is Jerry, MinnowMoto here, out in the workshop, talking to you about one of my favorite times of year, and it's not January, it's not because it's freezing, it's when I get my new HOG membership guide. Let's talk about why. First of all, the very basics, you can register 2 Harley Davidson motorcycles with the program, and if you're out on the road and break down, they will go ahead and tow you to the closest dealership. I don't think there's any distances on how far or anything. Haven't seen anything yet. I do know last year they put a lot of effort into revising that whole program and all. It's been a lot better than it has been. But some of the other things that they have, and I'm going to go kind of back and forth with you, looking at you, and then looking at my laptop. The 2026 guide is out. So let's take a peek, and what you see, you have this nice little cover here. Let's go through. I think that's one of the 2-lane life guys go through. Table of contents, you know, all this kind of stuff here. What are some of the benefits? I don't know if this is worth it to any of you guys. I'm not going to go through all these. You can get this all online. I'm just going to hit on some of the high points. The 500 points to earn money. I like that. I'll tell you why. The shipping on merchandise. Free shipping on merchandise. So that's pretty cool for free 2-day shipping. You can get into the museum for free. I've yet to make it into there, but hey. Premium benefits. Last year it was, I believe, an Insta360 was one of the vendors. They have hotels and different things. But I know that when we got the X4, we were able to get a free kit for the motorcycle kit came with it. So that was kind of cool. Different awards and stuff. And this is just the national. We are not getting into the local stuff at all. That's, you know, that's up to you if you want to do this. One of the nice things is that your membership information can be accessed on your phone. We'll see how quick it fires up because I'm just sitting here because, you know, nothing ever works out here. You fire up this little Harley app and it gives you access to a whole bunch of different things. It can tell you what kind of points you accumulate, things like that. It's pretty neat. They've added some social aspects. They're not 100% really working and stuff yet. So I just use it to track my points. You can use it to track your miles. You hit the little record button and it'll log your miles while you ride. They have little monthly challenges for virtual coins on the app. And not virtual, for virtual badges and stuff. Just a reason to ride. It's kind of fun, and you can, if you use the Harley Davidson mapping feature, that's how you can get it on your bike. Just hang it on the old Heritage and bam, there we go. So let's see, and you know I just went through everything so fast. I just totally threw myself off. So the app is cool, check it out. They have these HOG rallies. The HOG rallies, I like them. It's a good chance to go and explore new cities. That's good because whoever is putting these rallies on generally will have like a central location where you sign up. You go in, if you want to ride with a group, there's sign-ups there. They'll have route descriptions, maps. If you don't want to ride with other people, they generally have like the little QR codes so you can get the GPS functions. You can get them into your phone, and then if you have one of the big touring guys, you can actually get it to your bike. It's a great way to explore the city with locals, people that do the rides. People that have made the rides are generally locals, but I think it's good. They have different regions across the country like that. They also have the major rallies. Here we're looking at Daytona, Laconia, Sturgis, you know, those rallies. They actually have like different checkpoints around the area. If you hit them, you check in with the phone and you can order a free swag. I know in Laconia you went and I hit 5, I think it was all dealerships in Laconia, and then you would just go back to the HOG tent at the racetrack and say, hey, I made my whatever, show them the app and got some free swag. Never went back for the free swag. Talk about that. Touring rallies. They're fun. A to B locations. They travel across a few different areas, states, it looks like. I've never done one of these. I have a lot of friends that have, and they swear by them. All the hotel accommodations and all, they tell you where the places to stay, and they will do like hotels in this area, low, medium, high price range, depending upon what you're into. If you want the lap of luxury. If you want to live in luxury, you can do that. Touring rallies, we talked about that. Ride your own way. These are just different things. The loyalty perks, nothing exciting there. You can link your Harley Davidson credit card to get extra points. I don't have that anymore. I kind of cut that card loose, so I don't have that. But you can earn like more money. The more money that you would spend, you would get more, almost like cash back that you could use at the Harley dealerships or the Harley store online, and you could redeem that stuff right from the app. I have some stuff I redeemed. It has all these different benefits that they like. For a 15,000 mile a year, you can earn $150 to use at the Harley store, online or in a dealer. Not all dealers participate. I wonder if that's going to be changing though with the new CEO. Maybe this is going to be something they're going to push. But you can get $150. And if you work it right, you can go and hit their online sales. I know sometimes they'll say, oh, if you spend $100, you get $20 back, and so you could really work it, and that's kind of cool. They have some other little challenges. I'm just going to skip these. Right here, I'll pop this up on the screen. You can see like how many points you get per hitting each milestone. How many points you can earn and stuff like that. That's kind of fun. And they have lifetime mile recognition. I only had a Harley for a couple years, so I just got this last year. Shows you how fast I was to get this put on my vest. Let's see. Then they get into these destination challenges. This is where things get a little bit fun. Every year when you get your little HOG membership guide, right? It has this front cover. This was last year's. I printed out a copy of the front cover, laminate it, throw it in my saddlebag. Every time you go to a dealership, you take your picture with this and you put it up on their website, on the Harley website, like your little personal page. And that goes towards earning rewards for you. Like the dealer challenge has specific rewards guidelines. I think the first year I had to hit 25 and I got like a special, maybe a pin or a patch or something. Not really big on those. This is where all my pins and patches go. It's just fun. Then it has, every year they come out with, it's called 15 rides for 26. They will come out with 15 locations throughout the country that you go through, and we'll see if it pops it up. Some examples. 26, the OK Corral. You go to this location out there in Tombstone, hold your little picture up, you'll look like a dork. Take your picture, you send it in, and what they will give you, of course I don't have a 2026 one, they will send you one of these cool challenge coins. So this is the one I did last year for 25. I don't know if you could see it, if it's on there. Maybe if I hide behind it, it'll focus. But then it'll lose me. I don't know. This is 2025, and it shows like the Memorial Arch up there in Pennsylvania. We hit that. So that was pretty good. I like that. A bunch of locations. A good excuse to get out and ride and explore. I know it keeps me moving. I like it. When I'm making plans, I kind of plan to go around things. It's not that hard if you're riding with people that don't hog. I just said, hey, can we pull over here and get my picture, and make everyone stop on the Cackamungus Highway to get my picture in front of some little sign. That was fun. That is the end of that. They don't get into the 50 for 50. They have 50 locations. I think this is one of them. This was last year, some lighthouse that I hit in Rhode Island on my way up to Laconia. Again, something simple. You just go up, you get your picture taken. I think these are all the ones I got last year. The 50 for 50, just the collection. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe I'll get a display and put them with some poker chips. Because I only collect poker chips kind of where I went, so maybe it'll be a little memento board. I have no idea. Right now, they just have them sitting on a little shelf. They made a little 3D printed coin holder. They just sit there. I don't have that many of them. It's fun. Every year when you get your membership packet, look, I haven't even opened this yet. They send you this pin. They send you a pin, whatever the pin is for the year. I don't know if any of these will ever, I'm just going to take a picture and insert it someplace, maybe here or there. We'll see. So that, and a patch for your jacket or vest, whatever you're doing. I don't do any of that. I just have a very generic Harley sugar skull, HOG sugar skull, I should say, that's on my jacket up here. I don't do the local chapters. I don't do the big eagle. That is not my thing. But hey, that's up to you. But it is fun. Some great reasons to get out and ride. And that's really what I get most out of it. Besides the little peace of mind. Besides, that extra, hey, if you go and ride, you could get this little trinket or whatever. I'm going to move the camera over to here. I got, generally every year, I hit the maximum, the $150. Buy a oil change kit for the bike and some swag. Let's look at the swag I got for the end of last year. And I still got like 50 bucks left. Not a lot there I want. Oh, you gonna follow me, camera? Yeah, look at that. Fancy. Didn't open this yet. So we'll see. I only remember one thing that I got. Oh, two things. You know what? I could do the top-down view because I got this little arm that hangs, and I could be fancy like some of you other vloggers out there. I'm not fancy. Just a regular minnow. Oh, got this cool little lock. You plug it in. I think it's like 30 bucks generally. Free swag. Use it to lock my helmet to the bike. I got this one because you can actually put it through a jacket too, like maybe run it up a sleeve and. Not that anyone's ever messed with my stuff on the bike. This might be the wrong one. I thought this was, 18 and later. This little primary oil filler upper thing. I don't know what that is. I haven't done that project yet, but somebody will tell me. My receipt and my bigger purchase, riding shoes. My last riding shoes I got at Laconia last year took a beating. First time they're waterproof. First time I ever got waterlogged. So time to retire those. Got a new pair. So that's it. Over $100 worth of stuff for free just for riding my motorcycle. I know it's a Harley scam. The more you ride your bike, they're thinking you're going to come in for service. You're going to need things done. For me, it's just a little bit extra. Not like I need a lot of extra reasons to go out and ride. It's just fun. So that is what I got. I've already signed up for one of the Harley rallies out there. It is the I don't even know what year. Let me just start this over. One of the one of the national rallies is in Branson, Missouri this year. It is the first national hog rally they've had in over 20 years. So I really wanted to kind of check that out a little bit and see what's going on. What do you guys got going on in 26? That is just one more thing. I got a bunch of boxes I got to keep opening. So if you like what I'm doing, go down, hit the subscribe button. I'll keep talking. I have nobody else to talk to but you guys. So I appreciate you coming. That is all I got. This is Jerry, MinnowMoto. You have a good one. And now I get to put my stuff away because it is cold. Hey, how you doing?